First thing we're going to do is we're going to take the extension cord that goes to the generator and we're going to plug it in the transfer switch box. I put a line on it so I know where it lines up. Give it a slight turn, it locks in. Okay, now we're going to plug this in to the generator. I put a line on it, the same thing, so that I know where to hook it up. You give it a small twist for the twist lock. Now I'm going to make sure that the gas is on, and I'm going to turn on the choke. I'm going to hit the start button. It was out of gas, so we're going to let the gas run down into the carburetor. So we're going to try it again. Okay, now presently Detroit Edison is on right now. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn all the breakers off one at a time. Then I'm going to switch to the generator power, which is on this breaker, and shut Edison off. So might lose the lights here. So we turn these off slowly, one at a time. I have two of these that are marked. One is the AC and the other one's the range. We won't be using those on the generator power. So, get my flashlight out. So now, I'll turn off the power from the Edison, and I'll turn on the generator. Now I'll start turning the circuit breakers on one at a time. This is the AC, we're going to bypass that one, go past it. This is the range, we're going to go past that. Now the whole house is on the generator. Now, to shut it down, you do the same thing backwards. Say that the utility power has power now, and you want to switch back on to the utility power and off the generator. So what I'll do is I'll take each one of these breakers and I'll start shutting them back off again. One at a time. I'll switch the generator off, let the interlock drop, turn Edison back on, turn the breakers on one at a time. This time I'll turn on the air conditioner because we're back on the Edison. I'll turn the range on. Oops. Turn the range on. Go outside and unplug the extension cord, and I can turn off the generator at this point.